When preparing to sell your home, which repairs are a waste of money? When you're getting ready to sell your home, it's important that your house is going to appeal to the most amount of buyers. However, the next step is also to prepare for the professional home inspection that a buyer will have once your home is under contract. So let's talk about those repairs. 3 things that we have come up all the time is air conditioning, electrical, and plumbing repairs. So for your air conditioner, have a professional look at those temperature splits. That comes up all the time. For electrical, outlets that are near water that do not have GFCI protection or the protection is not working. So have a licensed professional check on those. And then lastly, plumbing, a silly repair, but that high loop under your sink for your dishwasher, that comes up all the time on inspections. The second thing is old appliances and windows. Buyers love to buy a home that already has brand new appliances and they don't have to worry about having appliances break as soon as they move in. So that's an investment to consider if you have old appliances. Also, for windows in your home, take a look around at your windows because if you see little spots of fog on your windows, that also comes up on inspections all the time. It means the seal in between the panes has come loose and may need to have a repair done. And lastly, the roof. If you have a roof that is leaking, I would say probably 100% of buyers are going to be concerned about that. So either have the repairs done if it's a minor leak, or if your roof is at the end of its life, consider that replacement. That's a wise investment that will carry you a long way on the sale of your home. By taking these measures, you prevent surprises down the road when your buyer has their professional home inspection. I am Andrea Crouch with the Crouch Group of eXp Realty. If you have any questions on repairs that you're considering on your home before you sell, give me a call.